What is the process for changing your signature?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial on a fascinating, yet often overlooked aspect of our personal identity, our signature. In this video, we'll explore how you can change your signature and what steps you need to follow to make it official.
Why would you want to change your signature?
Firstly, it's essential to understand why someone might want to change their signature. It could be because you're not comfortable with your current one, or maybe you've just gotten married and want your signature to reflect your new surname. It's a personal decision, and the reasons can be as unique as the signatures themselves.
Designing your new signature.
Creating a new signature isn't something that happens overnight. It's a process that should be done with care and thought. You'll want to think about the style, legibility, and how it reflects your personality. Practice on a piece of paper until you find a version you're comfortable with.
Making it official.
Now, this is where things get more formal. Once you've decided on your new signature, you need to start using it consistently. 1. Update your ID documents. This may involve going to your local government office or sending a request online. 2. Notify your bank. It's important to update your bank and credit card companies about the change to prevent any future confusion or issues with transactions. 3. Inform other relevant entities. This could include your place of employment, your university, your healthcare provider, or any other institution where your signature is regularly used.
Practice, practice, practice.
Even after making it official, the journey isn't over. Just like when you first learned to sign your name, it will take some time to get used to this new version. Practice your new signature regularly, especially before signing any important documents, to ensure you can replicate it with ease and consistency. That's all there is to it. Remember, changing your signature is a big step, so give it the thought and attention it deserves. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel confident in starting this process for yourself. Good luck, and happy signing!